1970 Ford Thunderbird, four-door Landau top car. Take a look at these rear suicide doors. This is kind of cool. Don't see a lot of these. And the best part, underneath the hood, this one does have the 429 Thunderjet four-barrel carb car. Of course, 1970. You have that little extension up front and the beak, I guess, if you will, since it's a Thunderbird. Let's take a look at the headlight surrounds, grille, bright work. Also nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC, power seats both sides. Of course, these would have been considered personal luxury car class back in 1970. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. To check out the wheel covers, there is an extra one with it that was in the trunk. That will be included in the purchase. Take a look at this top. It's kind of got that kind of alligator skin, snake skin, I guess if you will, texture to it. Nice shape. Now, as far as color of this car, it's been an original pale yellow or pastel yellow car. And then this top, it comes almost across as black, but you look at it close, it seems a real dark green. And the interior is kind of the same way. Let me show you this from the passenger side. So it does have a slight green cast to it, but man, it is so dark it almost looks black. You can kind of see that in the video here. And check it out in the still pictures. There'll be lots of pictures of the interior, front and back. Probably over 100 pictures of this car online. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the rear chrome bumper. Couple insurance bumper stickers on there from the day. This particular vehicle has been with the same owner since 1985. Believed to be original miles at a little over 87,000. Judging by the interior, which appears to be original interior underneath the hood, I would assume that is probably correct. Los Angeles built car. So take a look down the driver's side here. I'm going to show you something else that's pretty cool in this car that you don't see a lot of anymore, let alone one that is in working order. Okay, first of all, over here on the door. So we do have power seat, and that is both sides. The split bench front seat, and of course, power locks and power windows. Now, one of the cool things about this car, see it on Mustangs, but not so much on T-Birds. This does have the horn on the inner part of the steering wheel. They call it like a ring blow horn. Pretty cool, and in working order. Now, as far as the seats, pretty much free of rips, tears, or holes. I did notice one of the buttons here, a little bit of wear on the top of it right there, but boy, nothing bad at all. Headliner, good shape. Radio does work. Had that working earlier. There's what's believed to be original miles, 87,780. Fired up, so you can hear it run. There it is. 429, again, Thunderjet. Radio over here. Working condition. Take a look at the rest of the dash here. Kind of cool warning indicator lights up here too. You'll be able to check those out in the still pictures. That's telling me to put the seat belts on. Dash looks like very nice shape. Of course, wiper control over here. And then the rest of the gauge pods. Oil pressure went up, fuel gauge went up, so those appear to be working. Slip around to the back, and here is run. Door closes nicely. Guess what you'd expect it to sound like. Nothing crazy over the top as the exhaust goes. Now, as far as popping the hood, the release is over on this side, right down here. So let me pause it a second. It's going to take two hands to get that big hood open, and we'll check out the engine bay and wrap this video up. All right, take a peek at the underside of the hood. And there it is. V8 power, again, power steering, power brakes, factory AC car. Again, this would have been in the luxury class back in 1970. Battery disconnect down here, so you see that. AC, by the way, does not have the belt hooked up to the compressor, so AC wouldn't be blowing cold. May need a little TLC. Don't care to get that going. One of those cars fun to jump in, go to your local roll-ins, cruise ins, take to your local shows. Not going to see a lot of these out there. 1974 Thunderbird 4-door Landau top car. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. And hey, will come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1970 Ford Thunderbird. This is the one with the suicide doors in the rear. Good condition yellow paint on the exterior. Our blinker indicators are working. Good acceleration. A nice shift from this automatic transmission. One tire may have a flat spot. I feel that'll probably work itself out. Ooh. Cruise works. This car has a functioning cruise control. That is awesome. Great radio working. Factory radio. Our wipers also function. It's got that luxurious suspension for a nice smooth ride. Oil pressure is reading above half. Fuel is reading above half. Our alternator gauge is right in the middle, and temperature is right in the middle. Speedometer is working well. Very comfortable car. We've got plush seats in here, power windows, power mirrors, even power tilt on the seats. Definitely want to look at this Ford Thunderbird at uniqueclassiccars.com.